Meaning of ingredient.
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 Ingredient. An ingredient is a substance that is used to make something, especially food or medicine. It is an essential component that contributes to the overall quality and composition of the final product. Ingredients are often listed on the packaging or recipe for the consumer's information. They can be natural or synthetic and may vary in quantity depending on the recipe. The selection and combination of ingredients is crucial for achieving the desired taste, texture, and nutritional value. In summary, ingredients are vital building blocks that shape the identity and characteristics of a product.